Hello student, I am Arnab Das. Today we discuss about the geothermal energy location. In everywhere in the earth, if we go through the inner side of this earth surface, then where the near about the temperature is 100 degrees centigrade for the rock also, then it can be treated as the geothermal energy can be extracted from there. The position where the rock or the energy or temperature is near about 100 degrees centigrade, it will be identified by a specific way, and obviously this is done by various kind of method. Though we are not interested what is the way by which you have to identify the location, we are interested in here where ultimately the geothermal energy can be located on there. Geothermal reservoir are the naturally occurrence area for the hydrothermal reserves. That means it is not the man-made thing, it is naturally present, and we have to identify that particular location. These reservoirs are deep underground and are largely undetectable out of the ground. So we cannot be detect so easily where the ultimately geothermal energy can be extracted, because I already told that where the temperature of the rock or water is 100 degrees centigrade near about, that particular position can be treated as a geothermal reservoir position. So from the earth surface we not get so easily where the ultimate temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. Basically, geothermal energy finds its the way to earth surface in three ways. What is the way? We have to identify where the volcanoes or the fumaroles are present. That means holes in the earth where the volcanoes gas are released. That one is defined as a fumaroles. Okay, so that one you have to identify. So easily can be able to identify the location for the geothermal energy, or where the hot springs are present and glaciers. That one also the indication for the geothermal energy location. Now, most geothermal resources are the near boundary of the Earth tectonic plate. That means between this tectonic plate, there the foundation for the geothermal reservoir can present. That means the most active geothermal resources are usually found along the major tectonic plate boundaries where the most volcanoes are located. Once one of the most effective geothermal area in the world is called the Ring of Fire, which encircle the Pacific Ocean. There an portion is given to you. Here this one is defined as such. This is the location where mostly the geothermal energy source is present on there, but not essential that you have to identify that particular location. The any another kind of position where if you able to identify where the temperature is near about 100 degrees centigrade, that one also can be, but this is the position where mostly you can got it for the geothermal energy so easily. So when the area, one most active geothermal area in the world is called the Ring of Fire, already I told, which is encircled in the Pacific Ocean. When the gamma comes near the surface, it's a heat groundwater trapped in the porous rock, or water runs along the tectonic rock surface and fault. And the hydrothermal features are two common integrant, and they are water and heat. Okay, so hydro hydrothermal features are basically by the combination of water and the heat, which is the most effective one also for getting the geothermal energy. So geologists use the various methods to find the geothermal reservoir. That means from where you can collect that particular temperature so easily. So drilling a well and testing the temperature deep underground is the most reliable method for locating a geothermal reservoir. Okay, around 2015, this is typically as a year where it can be suggested that power capacity amount is 12.8 gigawatt, of which 28%, that is the 3.55 gigawatt, are installed in United States, and the international market grew at the average annual rate of 5% over the 3 year of 2015. So this is the uh, some notation how the day by day it is used and how they are applied for the requirement of geothermal energy extraction. Now here we are going for the geothermal provision in the India. Here the province is basically total 7 position. There are 7 geothermal provinces in India. One is the Himalayas, second one is the Shana, West Coast, Kambe, also named as Shuna Narmada Tapti, also named as Sonata, and Godavari and Mahanadi. These are the 7 places it is for the India. It is straight that from here you can extract the geothermal energy, and estimated that potential of geothermal energy in the India is about 10,000 megawatt. So this is huge amount of energy can be extracted from there. Mostly promising that the Puja Valley of Ladakh is most effective location for getting the geothermal energy. Though there are total near about 350 geothermal energy location in our country is identified. There are major geothermal energy resource in India. In the map it is shown to you. Here the this section is denoted as a Himalayan. These are the Swana. This portion middle of this is Sonata, this is Godavari, then this is the Mahanadi, and this is the east coast, and this is defined the Kambe. So these are the section from where we can, or our energy department is identified by which the maximum energy can be extracted on there. The Indian organization work in geothermal energies are Central Electric Authority, Geo Geological Survey of India, IIT of Mumbai, Regional Research Laboratory Jammu, National Geophysical Research Institute Hyderabad, and Oil and National Gas Corporation Dehradun. They are most tentatively trying, and obviously the researching way they can find out what is the way or what is the easiest way by which we can collect the geothermal energy. Ongoing project in India is the magnetotelluric investigation in Taptani geothermal area in Madhya Pradesh. Second one, also the ongoing project is the magnetotelluric investigation in Puja geothermal area in Ladakh region, Jammu and Kashmir. This is the major one project is going on there related that particular uh, identification and location and also extracting the geothermal energy. Till now, our achievement is that Geothermal Atlas of India, prepared, prepared by the Geological Survey of India (GSI), gives the information and data for more than 300 geothermal potential sites. This atlas is being updated by GSI and with the support of MNES. Application of geothermal energy for small scale power generation and thermal application are being explored. We already know about that the potential application where the geothermal energy can be utilized. This is for the power generation, this is for the cooking, space heating, use of the greenhouse, cultivation, and crop drying. So this is the most desired and effective requirement for the power application, and if this one can be done by using the geothermal way, so that cases the energy saving can be conventional whatever the way by which till now we are doing to get the energy, that particular reason can be minimized, and renewable energy, that is the most effective nowadays. This is the geothermal energy can be utilized on that particular platform, and this is also important for this reason divided. Is there any another kind of position where the geothermal reservoir is situated or not? And for this reason, this is day by day is progressing the way by which we can search the location. So this is ultimately the location for the India and overall the world where mostly the geothermal location can be present on there. So till we define and we can explain in here the where the geothermal energy location can be, and we can identify that one, and for the India where also the geothermal energy location. So uh, today we just end this session and next we come with the new topic. Have a good day. Thank you.